You've never seen or heard anything like it. The all-new Zoom Q8 handy video camera brings together high-definition video, 160-degree wide-angle lens, high-resolution audio, 2 XLR TRS combo inputs, and Zoom's groundbreaking interchangeable mic system to make the perfect camera for music and video creators everywhere. The Q8's combination of high-definition video and high-resolution 24-bit 96K audio make it the perfect choice to educate and entertain, to create music, to gather news, or to build a video podcast series with incredible audio quality. The Q8's compact size and its compatibility with 3-prong action camera mounts means you can shoot footage anywhere, from viewpoints other cameras simply cannot capture. Use it on stage, in the crowd, at home, or out in the field. Edit the video and audio you shoot with your favorite software, or stream it live. You can even use the Q8 as a web camera or USB microphone. The Q8 comes with a specifically designed microphone that uses wide-angle XY recording to capture immersive stereo. But if you prefer to use other recording techniques, changing microphones is a snap. The Q8 is compatible with many of Zoom's interchangeable mic capsules. On the back, there are 2 XLR TRS inputs for the connection of external microphone or line-level devices, even those that require phantom power. Tactile gain controls and a 20 dB pad allow for optimal level setting in any environment. You can record your audio in the same file as your video, or record them separate to have more control in post-production. Either way, you can record in full high-resolution audio and video. With its wide-angle lens and sensor options for the right setting in any lighting situation, the Q8 is the ideal tool for creating professional quality videos. It can also be used as a standalone 4-track audio recorder. The Q8 offers a rotatable full-color touchscreen LCD, a built-in speaker and stereo headphone line output for audio monitoring, and an HDMI output for video monitoring. Whether you're a musician, a filmmaker, a podcaster, or a reporter, you'll find the Q8 to be the perfect creative companion. The Zoom Q8. Think of it as a go-anywhere video camera with 4-track audio. Think of it as a record-anywhere studio with HD video. Better yet, think of the possibilities. We're Zoom, and we're for creators.
Polaroid Action Video Camera features single-button record and vibration technology, so you know when it's recording. Polaroid Action Cam records in HD 1080p, shooting through a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, so you're always in the shot. It's even great on the waves. This camera is fully submersible, up to 30 feet, no casing required. This camera records slow motion at 720 60 frames per second and shoots imagery or time-lapse up to 16 megapixels. There's no wobbles with this action cam either. It has built-in stabilization technology that smooths out the toughest of shots and the most bone-jarring of landings. Get the most stable action video you've ever seen, even on the roughest of terrains. Fully mountable, with featured auto-rotation G sensor so you're never upside down. No worries about dropping your action cam. Its sleek shockproof casing handles anything you can dish out. The action never stops, and neither does this action cam. It comes complete with a full mounting kit, bike mounting, helmet, and more. Connect to your smartphone via the Polaroid Action app, available for iOS and Android. The Polaroid XS100i Professional Wi-Fi Action Video Camera. Get yours today, and no matter how tough the shot, you'll always catch the action.